I'm going to go ahead and show you two different methods to solve this equation here. The easiest way to do this would be to go ahead and add this expression, x minus 3 squared, to both sides. When we add that to both sides, we get x minus 3 quantity squared on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side we get equals 2. And then what we would do here is we notice that when we have something squared is equal to something else and our variable is locked up here, our variable is being squared, we're going to go ahead and take the square root of both sides, and when we do that we get x minus 3. We actually get the absolute value of x minus 3 is equal to the square root of 2, which means that x minus 3 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 2. And when we add 3 to both sides, we get x is equal to 3 plus square root of 2 and 3 minus the square root of 2, which gives us, we can write that in an efficient way by writing 3 plus or minus the square root of 2. So that's method number one, and then let me go ahead and show you method number 2. So again, like I said, that would be the quicker of the two methods, and I don't know how much room I'm going to need. I'm going to assume that I'm going to need a little bit more. So I'm going to write this equation up here. 0 equals the opposite of x minus 3 squared, but I'm going to rewrite it like that, which means it's going to make it easier for me to FOIL that out. So I'm going to multiply everything out. I'm going to rewrite this right side in standard form, or I'm going to actually rewrite the entire equation in standard form. So when I multiply x minus 3 by itself using the FOIL method, x times x is x squared. The outer is negative 3x and the inner is negative 3x. So when we add those two up, we get negative 6x, and then negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9 plus 2, and then we're going to distribute the minus sign to every one of these terms. Negative x squared, the opposite of negative 6x is positive 6x. Doesn't look to be working. Something's wrong.